Physics, physics, physics. We're nothing cooler than absolute zero, and we come from Greece. Our proposal is to measure the sound of protons. In the T9 beamline experimental area, we will use a collimator and a scintillator to measure the number of particles per bunch and study the effect with different beam diameters and energies. We will send the beam in an acoustically insulated barrel with water, which will be our target. Later, we will change the water with other materials such as silica sand, ice or rock salt. As the beam hits the target, the particles that travel through the medium can locally hit it, causing it to rapidly expand. This produces a pressure pulse measurable on a suitable acoustic sensor.